I really didn't know what to expect when I came here. The Microsoft campus is beautiful. I never actually knew how cool it was.
Had never been to the campus, always wanted to come, and this was an opportunity that I was really looking forward to.
So the whole campus is awesome. It's like the stuff you see that Iron Man does. It's happening. This is it.
I think just being here and being up in this area and seeing everything here on campus is wonderful.
The Envisioning Center was really eye-opening. What they showed us, the possibilities of the future is just awesome.
Very futuristic, almost like the Jetsons, you know. I mean, it was great. It was stuff I hadn't even imagined that you'd put in a home. For me personally, the thing that I enjoyed the most was HoloLens. It was incredible.
It was mind-blowing because it's very interactive, and it's not just you're seeing a virtual background, you're incorporating it with the real world.
I mean, I've never done that before. So yeah, I was really impressed. And I mean, I've done VR before, but I mean, there's nothing compared to that. It was really nice to meet the new people and all the winners. Everybody's been very gracious and kind.
I'm very happy to meet the people from Microsoft, and I'm very happy to experience and explore, which is surreal. We're really enjoying it.
It's actually kind of like our anniversary celebration, so yeah, and all expense paid.
I don't know why anyone would not enter the rewards program. The prizes are wonderful, everything I dreamed of and more.